usually play it through one whole time and then before I start singing. Now that was the crooked one. Now I'm going to play it the way that I normally play it, so that you can sing with it. Everybody don't have to stop playing. So. If the ocean was whiskey and I was a duck, I'd dive to the bottom and never come up. But the ocean ain't whiskey, nor I ain't no duck. So the old drunken hiccups and trust in my luck. So if you don't want to play cricket, it's hard to hiccup and do that too.